The assembly process for modular bodies and vans begins with wheeled coach wiring harnesses. We take the time to make our own wiring harnesses to better control production timing and quality. Plus, we color code for accuracy of installation and ease of future maintenance. Before a unit enters the production line, the wood cabinets are cut and assembled. Aluminum cabinets are cut, bent, welded, painted, and assembled, all in the Wheeled Coach in-house cabinet shop. Wheeled Coach Type 1, 3, and medium-duty ambulances then move down the mod line, which includes several key stations. At stations 1 through 5, many of the inner workings of the body are installed. The wiring harnesses go in, and the wire drops are run. Exterior lighting is installed. Door latches and hardware are put in. The electrical boards go in, and HVAC is connected as cabinet installation begins. At stations 6 through 9, you can see the interior really start to take shape. The remaining cabinets go in. Trim is installed at station 8. Then, along with the floor, upholstery comes next, including seat bases, cabinet padding, and seat cushions. At stations 10 and 11, optional features and finishes chosen for the ambulance are installed. When the unit reaches station 12, we conduct an online electrical check to test the electrical system and other components to ensure they are functioning correctly. At stations 13 through 18, the ambulance is nearly complete. This is where the pride in a job done right really shines through. All construction debris is removed, and a final inspection is completed to ensure build accuracy and quality. On the occasion that anything is not exactly correct, it then moves to work off, where any items on the inspector's list are addressed. On the final line, the units are signed in as completed and prepped for the customer's inspection at the delivery center. City medics and vans are assembled similarly on the van line, but in a slightly different order. When it comes to the look of your ambulance, the experienced Wheeled Coach art and design team has you covered. We apply 3M products to ensure a superior vehicle finish that includes a 5-year, no-fade warranty on graphics. Should your ambulance ever get damaged, you can take confidence knowing Wheeled Coach can quickly provide replacement graphics, usually within 24 to 48 hours.